Hi, I'm Neil from HV Aluminium. I'm the office manager here. I've been here for about 25 years. HV Aluminium has been in the Newcastle area for over 30 years and we specialise in Eclipse opening roofs, paradise rooms and patio covers, alfresco eating areas. So we have a lot of insulated products as well as single skin products that make up this range. We're a family business, and one of the keys to keeping us friendly and family related here is the service that we offer. We have the key motto of just trying to treat everyone how we want to be treated. So we always try and get that across with our staff. We operate in the Newcastle, Macquarie and Hunter area, even down to the Central Coast and right up to above Port Stephens. And one of our products, the Paradise Room, is a screen enclosure system with the addition of sashes that help to keep the weather out. These Paradise units can be fixed, they can be hung like doors, they can be sliding, they can also be bifolding, and they can be tint or they can be clear. Similar to the Paradise Room, we also have a glass room and screen enclosure system. One of our other key products is Eclipse opening roof. That was developed here at HV Aluminium in the early 90s, and it's extruded aluminium product with curved louvers that just gives you the benefit of opening to get the sun in and closing to keep the weather out. So we have that in a curved louver, which can have a light strip added. In the more recent times, we have changed and developed a new one that's a flat louver that has the addition of giving a lovely smooth finish when closed, but also has optional control systems that improve that system as well. Our product, the Eclipse Sun Louver range, has got various different louvers from a 90mm right up to 200mm. They can be fixed, they can be opening, and also they could be vertical or horizontal. HV Aluminium also has a range of patio area and alfresco entertaining areas. So this range starts with the single skin roof sheet, that's a more traditional version, going right up to the more modern insulated roofing. These also come with light strips to help light come into your area and is really custom designed to your own home and lifestyle. Carports are also a very popular item that we do. They're designed to suit the home. They can also be using insulated or single skin roof sheet, and quite often they double as entertaining areas. To help you with your design process, our team of design consultants can come out and offer a free measure and quote service. And as part of that service, they can also offer an artistic impression to show you what that project will look like when it's completed. One of the things our customers really enjoy about us is that we're there for the full project. So starting with the quote, and then going into council DA and construction certificate approval, onto other trades that might include a slab or a deck, then the build for the HV side of things, and then a clean-up. We're there through the whole process. So if you've got a project that you're considering, feel free to contact us here, have a look at our website or social channels, or call one of our friendly staff here at HV Aluminium.